So you see as the bridge dey collapse, we pray make e no happen for Nigeria. Yes, make that kind thing no happen for Nigeria. If e happen for Nigeria, oh my God, begging with that one. Eh? But after they say no casualty, no casualty. Alright, you welcome. I still be Ozo Papa. Your money is my money, my money is my money. In the bank, you know as we do it now. I talk about it at the show where they trend now for your city, for my city. If you never see them before, better subscribe, follow, so you go know what it happen. So we go drop am as e dey hot. The first thing we go give na you know wetin people dey demand now. Funny African idioms. Yeah, people they follow that thing for our YouTube short. Yes, that short. Go check YouTube short. You go see people they watch am. But if you dey watch, put comment, like, share, so that the thing will grow with other people and will flow well. Alright, make we go watch our funny African idiom.
What you make me love you so? You make me shine like glowing light. Even my heart, you know. What I go do make you love me tight? Girl, you make me crazy. With your booty, you they amaze me. You my queen, my heart desire. African queen, I go love you, die. African queen, you shine so bright, like diamond in the night. You sparkle light. You be my queen, my heartbeat. African queen, I will love you forevermore. You be my heartbeat. What you make me go crazy, oh. Your smile shine like morning sun.
Alright, welcome back. You don't watch that one. You say as it be, you said you laugh small, you learn something. Say Africa tight. Right, street gist. What will do street gist for you now? Street gist. Yes, this street gist. This girl where they talk. Why not mention the man of God name so that go fit shake table small? Because when I see the video, me say at the dash in a pranks, they just do or anyhow. But make yourself listen to wetin she talk about man of God. Not be me talk am, but she talk am.
Another thing I've also done is like sleep with a very popular general overseer in Nigeria here.
Hey!
So it all went well, and the man is so bad. Like after that day, I went to Google. I typed his name. I was now watching his church videos. The way this man was preaching in altar, Jesus Christ! I can't believe he was the one with me yesterday.
You slept with a general overseer?
Yes, a general overseer in Nigeria, a very popular one at that. Though. Who am I to judge?
Were you guys dating?
The man started, we met on Snapchat, so he started sending me money. From sending me money, then he was like, want me to come and see him. Bear in mind, they have not shown me his picture and all that. So, and when I wanted to come to the airport, he told me that I should dress well, that I should dress like normal church girl. I was like, why? Because this man is naughty. It was even on my private snap. He's only asking me of. I was like, okay, there's no problem. I dressed well. I went to meet him at the airport. I noticed that when he came with his guards, they was telling me, welcome sister, welcome sister. I was like, welcome sister, what's happening? When I saw the man, I was so shocked. Then at the end of the day, he told those his guys that they should calm down. And he drove me by himself to the hotel, booked the hotel and everything. I was so shocked.
A popular general overseer?
Yes.
Wow. How much did he pay you?
He paid a lot, so that was as of 2023 or 2024. Beginning of 2024, I think. He paid well.
What's your name?
Nikki OS.
Nikki OS?
Yeah.
The normal OS for Nigeria?
Not the normal OS in Nigeria. Let me explain to you guys. I don't know if you guys have watched Jennifer's Diary when it first came out. So there's this salon, Nikki O. So when I saw it, I was like, wow, my surname is also here. And my name is also Nika. Let me make it Nikki OS.
But when you tell people that your name is OS, like what then they talk?
They think like the normal Oscar or something now. And I'm also Oscar, so.
Where are you from?
Okay, I'm from Delta.
You're from Delta State?
Yeah.
Alright, you don't hear what she talk? Put your comment. Now true, this kind of thing they happen. I been just fake, fictitious, or anyhow you like her. Put your comment, like, share to support the channel. Talk about CB, I still be Ozo Baba. welcome back. Na me still be Ozo Baba. Your money is my money is my money in the bank. Alright, na crime we get now. Yes, this guy now estate agent, as na estate agent, him friend sef say him wan sell him property. As he say wan sell him property, say him go help am sell am. Na him dey agree. This guy help am scan, look for buyer. When buyer come, one big company say they get interest. He tell him friend say okay, dem fix date where they go check the property. So as they meet for the location, they check the property. The company say they like the property well. This guy come agree. They do transfer to his own account. Person wey wan sell account. As they do transfer to your own account, they come ask for paper. Say you no know say they go do payment. Say you just believe say they just wan come check the property. Because they trust this guy, the vice president, they say okay, no wahala. They say you go send paper to us. Vice president say yes. So the vice president say make dem dey go 1 day, 2 days. He call him friend say he dey busy. 1 week he call him friend, the friend no take am serious again, and they don dey threa ten this guy say where our paper, if you no give us paper, give us money. Na him this guy wey sell wey dey buy him property say make him friend come so that they go fit discuss, do everything. He go there because na girl call am. The guy girlfriend na him come call am say make he come hotel come meet them, make he collect document. This guy go there. As he go there, he no fit go house again. The wife say he come dey chat am. He dey say that they do contract, that they do one business or one that, so he no fit come home. Second day, the same thing. He come say make the wife come meet am for the hotel, make dem talk. However, they don go report. This guy don go report to police station. Say he don give the guy the 10 million back wey dem say make dem refund. So indirectly he don comot himself for wetin dey happen. So as he comot himself so, dem come send to the wife say make he come. So as dem send to the wife make he come, the wife come fall sick, no fit go. Later he come dey strong. Dem come send 15k to am say make he take come. When he wan go, he come see their chairman of agent. Yeah, chairman for agent for their area. You come tell am, the guy come say wetin come happen as dem gist so. Come say okay, make dem go station go report first. As dem go station go report, dem say okay, dem don hear. As the chairman dey go, na him meet one of their community farmers. Na him come dey tell am wetin dey happen. Say dem see one slippers for here, dem no know who get am. And then he hear noise, he hear gunshot. As he hear gunshot, na him enter the place. Come see one motor wey comot dey go. See the number, na him write the number down. Say see the number of the motor. Na him the chairman quickly post the picture all about for social media. Everybody begin check am. Na him the wife of the man wey dem kpai, the vice chairman of the agent, na him say na my husband slippers be this. Yes. Na there police start investigation o. To round am up, dem don kpai the agent. Yes, dem kpai. That mean say dem wan kpai the woman to silence everything. So police come dey investigate. As dem trace the girlfriend house, dem see say the girl don dey pack. He wan jack comot. Yes, he wan jack comot. So dem come see guns. You see the guns there, na him we dey show you so. The guy too, dem don catch am. He say wan try run, wan relocate. That's to tell you, people wey you no know or wey you know for long, their character fit don change. Yes, their character fit don change. So you need to be careful. Always tell people where you dey go. If you dey go meet another new person or old friend, tell your person, tell your neighbor, tell your wife, tell your husband, say see who I dey go meet, so that gbege no go happen. But no forget say na talk am as e be, na him we dey. So no forget to like, share, subscribe, join us so you go dey enjoy ogbonge African story, wetin dey trend, wetin dey happen. I still be Ozo Baba. I go see you next time.